Hi, welcome everyone. So in this today's video guys, we will learn about file handling in Python. You may be familiar with the concept of opening, deleting and updating the files. So in this video, I will tell you about this only and I will give you a very brief overview of it. And now coming to the part like why it is important, because we have to create the web applications and many things like using Python. So it is very important for us guys to like handle the file, otherwise there will be a like very loss of data. Okay, now coming to the part, suppose how you have to open the file in Python, how you can do that. As I have written on the screen guys, I hope that it is visible. You can see I have written the syntax of opening the file in Python. So there are four methods for opening a file, and the first method is guys, let me write it on the screen, which is denoted by the R. Okay, so now what this R stand for here guys, so like it is a default value opens a file for reading error. Okay, if the file does not exist, like it will open a file, okay, and for reading, and if it does not exist it will give you an error. It is very clear. So now coming to the next method, which is append. Okay, it opens a file for appending, creates the file if does not exist. Okay, it will open the file for the appending and creates the file if does not exist. I hope that this thing is very much clear, and it is denoted by the A as I have written on the screen. Now coming to the next method, which is denoted by W write. So it opens a file for writing. It is very simple, you can understand by its syntax. And now coming to the like X, so why what this X denotes here, so it creates the specified file and return an error if the file exists. Okay, if the file is existing, like, okay, so it will give you an error. Okay, and suppose the file is in text mode, so how you can do that, let me show you. So it will be denoted by T, and if it is binary it will be denoted by B. I know that you are like bit confused how we will use this. You don't have to worry. I will give you an example. Now coming to the part, guys. Like suppose we are having a variable p, and in which suppose we have to open a file which is in our same Python program with name suppose demo. So how we have to like write to open the command. So you just have to start with the open, and after this this round bracket, and in this you have to write the like name of the file. Okay, and suppose it is a text file, so dot txt as I have told you, so this will open. Okay, okay, and suppose you have to write this thing in any other way. So how you can do this guys, so it is very simple. You have to again write this open, and in which you have to write the name of the file and dot, and like, okay, let me give this, okay, demo dot, and what you have to write this there, you have to give a comma, and after this you have to write rt. Now what this rt stand here, so as I have told you, this r represent like read, and this t represent the text, so it will read the text. Okay, you can do by this, like either by this method or by this, it doesn't change. Okay, now guys, coming to the point like how you can open the file. Okay, now suppose I have a file, as you can see, like loops dot this text. Suppose I have read it down, DevTown family. Okay, now I want to open this file like text. So how I can do this, it is very simple. Let us create a, wait a second, a in which we will use like open, and then we have to like copy the path of the file. Okay, so now how we can do this, you just have to simply open, like we have, I have this loops here, which is the name of the file. So I just have to like copy this path. Okay, and this path will be now pasted here, and you have to give the two slash here, guys. Okay, if you are facing any issue, guys, you can like tell me in the comment box or in the chat box, or you can search in like in the any search engine. And now you have to just write the like name of the file. Okay, guys, and now what you have to do, you have to give the comma, and this you have to like use the r. Okay, and now you have to like print this a dot and read. Okay, and now if I run this, see, I'm getting the output. Okay, wait a second, let me save this so it will now show me the updated output. It was a previous. See, now we are getting the output as DevTown family. If you add like something in it, it will also be reflected. You just have to save the changes. Like if we save this and run this again, see, welcome to the DevTown family. Guys, I hope that this thing is very much clear. If it is not, you can tell me in the comment box, or you can search in the search engine. Usually, guys, there are many like problem solving engines like Stack Overflow and many. So if there is any little bit issue, you can like take the help. Okay, and now coming to the part, like suppose, guys, I have to execute only starting five like letters of my file. So how I can do? So you just have to write the letters, and you just have to like run this. See, now only wlco is executable, it is only visible. Okay, so now the compiler is giving only starting five letter of the text file. And now, guys, suppose you have to like read only one line. So here we have, if we, I add please subscribe. Okay, now if I want to like read only this welcome DevTown family, so how I'm gonna do that? This guy just focus on the screen. So I will like remove this read, and I will add read line. Okay, I will remove this 5 also. If I now run this, see, guys, I am getting only dev welcome DevTown family. Okay, and now if I remove this line, okay, I hope, guys, that this thing is very much clear how you can use this read line and read. And guys, one more thing is a good practice is whenever you are done with any file, you have done all the editing and the stuff. So a good practice is you have to like close the file. Okay. So how you can do this is just simply start with the name of the file. Like this, I have given the a variable and dot close. Sorry guys, I have written wrong. No issue. A dot close and this round bracket. Okay, so now what will it will be doing? So it will, guys, like close the file. Okay, so it is very good practice. You have to like make it a habit. And now, guys, how you can create a file in this? So it is very simple. So I will start with have and this open. Okay, so now what I have to do, I have to give this bracket in this two comma, and like suppose I want to create a file. I want to create the text file, the file.txt, and after this comma, and in this we have to put this x, so it will create a new file. Okay, I hope that this thing is very much clear. As you can see here also, a file.txt is created. Okay, I hope that you are getting everything. And apart from this like x, there is a one two method like append and the write. Okay, so the function of these both are like similar, so there is little bit of difference. Like in the append will create a file if the specified file does not exist, and with the w like write, we create a file if the specified the does not exist. Okay, we will create a file if it is not existing. Okay, and now, guys, suppose we have to remove a file. Okay, so how we can remove a file, guys? It is very simple. You just have to import os. Okay, and you have to use os dot remove, and inside which you have to write the name of the file. Like suppose I want to remove this loops dot txt. So how will I do that? Let me show you guys. Okay, now it will remove the file. Okay, guys, as you can see that the file is now being removed from the here. Okay, and now if I like open this file, it will not open on the this python. Okay, I hope that everything is, guys, much more clear. I am explaining you this thing in a very easiest way, so like you can get everything which I am trying to explain you. The like the syntax is very simple. Okay, you just have to import os dot remove loops dot text, the name of the file. Okay, so now what this os, so it is a module. Okay, and we use os dot remove to run this. Now I hope, guys, you are getting my words. So please subscribe to our channel DevTown and enjoy this amazing Python series.